Hello and good morning, everyone. My name is Diego, and today I want to talk about a topic that is shaping the future of every industry, a technology that is no longer part of science fiction, but a real tool that business really on every single day. The title of my presentation is Artificial Intelligence, the New Brain of Modern Business. In this talk, I'm going to walk with you through with AI is becoming such an essential element in modern organizations, how it connects with the evolution of the internet, and how it integrates with business systems like MIS, CRM, and ERP. My goal is to explain in a clear and simple way how AI is transforming decision making, improving efficiency, and redefining the way companies operate. With that being said, let's begin. Artificial intelligence, the new brain of modern business. I choose to talk about artificial intelligence because it has become one of the most influential and talk about technologies in the world today. Everywhere we look, whether in social media, offices, schools, or big industries, AI is changing how people work and how companies operate. What I find most interesting is how AI can now do tasks that not long ago required entire teams of people. Today, with this technology, a single person can manage processes that used to take days, or sometimes the AI can even do them automatically. This saves times, reduces cost and increases accuracy for companies. And this is extremely valuable because every minute and every resource counts. And this connects directly with the systems of information that business have been using for years to make decisions. To really understand why AI is so important, we need to think about something that every business depends on: decision making. In companies, decisions are rarely made by guessing or intuition. They depend on data. In the past, management information systems, or MIS, only provided information about what had already happened in the company. They were useful, but limited. Managers had to look at past reports and try to figure out what to do next. This often made decisions slow and reactive. But AI completely changed this model. Now, instead of only explaining the past, systems can analyze huge amounts of information from many sources at the same time: sales numbers, customer behavior, market news, and even social media. AI can detect patterns that humans will never notice, and more importantly, it can predict what might happen in the future. This helps companies make decisions that are not only faster but also more strategic. For example, instead of waiting for sales to drop to respond, AI can predict which products will become popular next month so the company can prepare in advance. In marketing, AI can decide in milliseconds which promotion is most likely to make a customer click or buy something. This shifts business from reacting to problems to proactively improving their results. But this transformation didn't happen overnight. To understand the power of AI, it's important to look back at how the internet evolved. With 1.0, the early internet was platform basically a one-way platform where users could read information but not interact much. Even though it was simple, it changed the world because it introduced e-business and new online business models like B2B and B2C. Companies also start using digital tools such as email and instant messaging to communicate faster. Then came Web 2.0, which was a turning point. This version of the internet focused on interaction, collaboration, and community. Suddenly, people could create content, comment, share opinions, and connect with others in real time. Social networks, blogs, wikis, and online forums exploded, and business had access to much information about customers. Web 2.0 set the stage for artificial intelligence because it created a massive amount of data that AI could learn from. Now we are living in Web 3.0, the intelligent and semantic web. This stage allows AI to understand context and tailor experiences for each user. For example, AI can recommend music based on your mood, products based on your habits, or even news based on your interest. However, as powerful as this is, Web 2.0 also brings risks like privacy concerns, misinformation, and ethical issues. This is why human oversight is still essential. AI is powerful, but business need to guide it responsibly. Another important part of this topic is understanding that AI cannot work alone. It becomes truly valuable when it is integrated with other business systems that companies already use every day. This includes systems for communication, operation, logistics, customer service, and more. For example, supply chain systems connect suppliers, manufacturers, transportation, and customers. When AI is added to these systems, it increases efficiency dramatically. Companies can predict delays, manage inventory better, and avoid running out of stock. Technologies like automation, real-time analytics, and even blockchain are helping supply chains become more transparent and reliable. CRM systems, customer relationship management, are another great example. A CRM keeps track of all the interaction a company has with its customers, emails, purchase, complaints, preferences, and more. When AI is integrated into a CRM, it becomes incredibly powerful. AI can identify the most valuable customers, predict what they might do next, and help the company personalize their experience. This improves customer loyalty and helps the company plan better. ERP systems, enterprise resource planning, are even bigger. An ERP connects the entire organization, finance, manufacturing, human resource, sales, and more. When AI is added to an ERP, everything becomes more coordinated. Data flows smoothly between departments, decisions become quicker, and the business as a whole becomes more efficient. When AI, CRM, and ERP systems work together, they create a fully integrated, intelligent business environment. Companies can communicate better, respond faster, and manage their resources in a smart way. They no longer work with isolated tools, but with connected systems that share information and support strategic planning. To conclude, artificial intelligence has become much more than a helpful tool. It is now the driving force behind smarter decisions, faster process, and more efficient organizations. By combining AI with systems like MIS, CRM, and ERP, and modern supply chain platforms, companies can connect people, information, and operations in a completely new way. We've moved, we moved from simply reacting to problems to anticipating opportunities before they even appear. And as the technology continues to evolve, business that understand and embrace AI will be the ones that stay competitive, innovative, and prepared for the future. Thank you for listening, and I hope this presentation helped you see why AI truly is the new brain of modern business.